Start recording and start streaming. Is that it? Let's see. That should be it, I think. Let's see if I'm going live. Oh, there I go. So this thing there instead. There we go. I seem to be live. Perfect. So, hi. It's been like 2 weeks. I realized I haven't been streaming at all, and I kind of forgot to do that. Today is gonna be a bit different. I am not working on the project that I've been working on the last time I streamed was 2 weeks ago. I'm instead working on the uni project that this game is based on, that I'm doing actually. Because we need to finish some improvements before the summer ends, so we can get a passing grade, and so I can get my study grants. Otherwise, I will starve and not have a place to live. So that's pretty important. The game is called The Hunt. It's you've probably seen like some stuff from it before when I've been referencing it a bit in coding. I just kind of went into the middle of it because I've been working on it during the day, and I realized, hey, I have not been streaming and probably should be doing that. Been a bit sick as well, so my throat isn't quite perfect yet, but it's fine probably. By this point I can, yap for like a couple of hours without any problem. So, move there. Create tutorial level, perfect. So, we ran into the issue when we turned in our project of, it didn't work straight up. There was some issue with the build, so he was like, hey, fix all of it, please. And when we discussed it, we realized, hey, the risk is quite large that it still doesn't pass us, even if it's been fixed. So we decided to add some more stuff to the game. So it's a multiplayer game, but if it's gonna test it alone, he can't really do that, because, it's multiplayer. So I am adding a single player version, which is basically just a tutorial and one like trial thing of like time-based, just so you have something to do. And for that, I'm rewriting some parts of the code. Well, rewriting, I was copying the scripts and like removing the multiplayer parts of the movement scripts. And I'm building some levels for it. And that's basically it. So that's what I need to do today. I need to create tutorial levels for both the Prey and the Hunter. Those are the two roles you can play as. I have basically finished the majority of the tutorial level for the Prey, and the Hunter is gonna have very much the same one, like the first 3/4 probably, 3/4 is gonna be the same, and then the last quarter is gonna be different. I'm just gonna copy it over and change the necessary parts. And then I'm gonna create the trial levels, which are basically gonna be like smaller levels where you have to, as the Prey, collect a certain amount of like things in the level to exit for an exit, and as the Hunter you have to basically tag a couple of fake NPC Prey that are running around. And it will be timed, and we'll save the time so you can like display, oh, this is how fast you did it. There's also, I'll have to create a selection screen for this so you can pick one, and also one so you can go from the start menu from the multiplayer part to the single player part and back again, because I don't want to force you to like close down the game and restart it every time you want to go from single player to multiplayer. And there's more things I need to do for schoolwork, for uni, also to get my grants, which is the tower defense game. I was supposed to be done in like January, but whoops. There's quite a lot of things to do there. I'll show it off later at some point, not today though probably, because I want to get done with this today. And then the next week I'll do this, hopefully not the entire week. And when I'm done with all of this, I'm gonna return to the game that I've been making. And I'm probably gonna be making, going from creating, like a full thing. Because it's quite apparent, I think, by this point that I've gone through like half the summer, I've done very little. I keep doing like the 4 Ps. It's like the overpromise, promise too much, procrastinate too much, panic at the end, and then create a passable thing. That's my 4 Ps, I call them. I came up with that like earlier today. But I'm gonna make the thing I'm making right now with the project I've been streaming about. I'm probably gonna turn it into a no fancy graphics or anything, just a movement tech demo, more like. We'll try to get as much movement in as possible. It'll be single player. There'll be like a test level, and that's it. And then I'll like, I don't know, put on itch.io or something, or if I even do that. Just so I can like have it done. I can use it in the future to like, get code from it probably, and I can put it on a what's called a CV portfolio just for the future. So I have something there to show off. And then I'll probably move on to making either not a lot of things during the autumn and the spring, you know, because I'll be at uni again and doing those things, or I'll be making some smaller projects, a bit more simpler code probably. Like I've been thinking of doing a 2D game, either like, because I have a couple of ideas. I kind of wanted to go back to the games I made during autumn last year, which is made in Monogame, and remake them in Unity, at least a couple of them, to what I want them to be, now that I'm better at coding, and better at creating games in general. And like have it as a... kind of fun to have them all in like one game, so you could like pick which one of them you want to test. And they're all like small demos of a better version, I could say. And that would include my, what's called the breakout thing. I haven't shown any of this, but there's basically a breakout game I made. There's a Donkey Kong game that I'm pretty proud of, which is a mix of Donkey Kong and Portal. That's like that's when I was still doing great things. I had the breakout and the Donkey Kong got like great grades, and then I fucking fell off after that. But the Donkey Kong is pretty fun. It's like Donkey Kong, but it's portals. You have to press a couple of buttons. You have like portals you shoot. If you fall, you keep momentum. So like you fall down for a portal, you go equal distance you fell, either upward to the right or left, something like that. And there's bombs and stuff, and it's GLaDOS instead of Donkey Kong. It's kind of fun. I'd love to remake that and make it a bit better, because it's all tile based in that one, on like instructions to make it like that for the assignment, and I want to make it not tile based because yeah, I think that might even be easier than doing it tile based, because that's kind of annoying. And then I want to do a 2D game. The 2D game I made, like a platformer, that was awesome. That was literally just passing grade. There was like, you can move, you can stand on platforms, you can fall off platforms, you can die, and you can win. That was it. So it's like 5 platforms, and it's like a couple of enemies, and you just touch the enemies to kill it, and the enemies shot fireballs, and that was it. When you touched all enemies, you won. If you got hit by fireball, you lost. That was it. And then the tower defense as well, I want to extend that a bit, because it's kind of fun. I have like a kind of fun idea for it, and a theme I like, so I do want to make that into a larger thing as well. Not like a game, but like a, you know, it actually works quite well. It's made in probably Unity as well, and it has like, I don't know, a couple levels, maybe even because I've been thinking of having like a talent tree or something like that, but maybe not. Or tech tree, not talent tree. I've been playing too much WoW. That's basically what I've been doing the last 2 weeks. I played 60 hours of They Are Billions and made 0 progress on the last map. I refused to turn down the difficulty, and I have failed at that map for 60 hours now. I think I'm like 40 tries on it or something. And I just said fuck, because I was like, I'm gonna just do it so I'm done and don't have to think about it again. And now I just given up on it for now. And then I played a bunch of WoW, so that's what I've been doing. I've been sick. But yeah, so that's my plan for the autumn, probably making those games in Unity as a better, more still demo versions, but like just as a thing, is remaking them. And the future things I would like to do is probably like, you know, grab a couple of old Flash games. I think they're Flash games. There's a couple of ones I want to remake into modern games. It would be kind of fun, I think, to like get 2-3 of them and put them all in like the same launcher, like the same game. You lost a game, you can pick one of them, and it'll be like Bubble Tank, if anyone has played that, and it'll be I think it's called Focus, maybe. It's like 2D platform where you can teleport, and when you teleport, you like create a bubble around you, and anything in that bubble is slowed down. And it's slowly shrinking while you're holding the teleport button, and you move your pointer somewhere in the bubble, and that's where you teleport. And you have to, there's like missiles that are fired towards you, and you have to like go through levels and stuff. It's really fun, I remember. And I just want to make that and the bubble tank one. The bubble tank one is super fun as well. But that's what I want to do in the future. And let's just stop yapping about this one and actually start see if this actually works. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna just scroll down a bit so you can see here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna move this down a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Alright, well, perfect is so I have my thing done here so I can see. So, I'm currently, because I just realized halfway through working on this that I should probably stream it. I've been doing a lot of stuff here. I've created this entire level here with a bunch of like pre-made assets we're using. So like you start in this room, here's the player. I actually made this 3D model myself. That's the only thing I made here basically. You run up, you walk up here, you jump over this, you jump over this, you realize you can't get up here, jump on this and up here. Jump over these pits. I'm gonna put like spikes down here and some like on collision enter, so you just teleport you back up here. And there's one thing there, and there's a larger pit here. Then you go down here, you have to like jump on these just to like, you know, get some movement. And then there's this massive gap here. And the idea is you sprint, you jump, you double jump, you dash in the air, and then you jump. Again, double jump in there. Because the dash resets your double jump. This is like a thing to show you can do that, and there'll be a sign there probably. And there'll be signs every here and there to just like say what the controls are and stuff. And then you slide down here, you can't walk here, you have to slide under it. And then here you have to jump and slide in the air so you can get through this. And here I'll have these diamonds, which are basically in the normal like multiplayer game. These are the ones you pick up. And I'll have like one here with a sign that says you need to pick up diamonds. And then I'll have like one here, one up here, and then like one in the corner here and one up on that thing. And then you have to pick up 3 of those 4, because then it's 5 in total. Because the point is you don't have to pick up all the diamonds in the game. So you, if you're the one who's like guarding the diamonds, you can't camp one. You have to actually move throughout them and like catch people. So you pick up a couple of them, and this door opens, and you walk through here, and that's the end of this tutorial. I'll have to make something here, like either just like a void or something. But currently I'm trying to write code for the diamonds. Let's see. It's just like at the start, when you start this thing. Oh, I gotta load this map. Oh well, I'll figure that out. You this on start diamonds is like basically when you start a level, I'll just have placed these diamonds beforehand. It just gets those diamonds and then puts them in an array. And then it creates another array called active diamonds and copies. Let's say it's a copy of this one. And then you have like respawning diamonds, which just removes all of the diamonds, and then create active diamonds are equal to on start diamonds. And then you instantiate all of the diamonds. And the diamonds themselves are here. This is so far it. You just remove it from the active list, and then you destroy the object. And then I'll have some code for the door, I think. So that's what I've done so far. Let's see. Something I did realize though was this code here on start. Maybe awake. Yeah, I think so, because I think I need to create a game object in the scene. Let's call it. There we go. And I just put this thing there. And on this thing, I put the on diamond. I'll put it on the top here. There we go. Not, that's not on top. There you go. What the fuck? Manager. Yep, and then we grab the diamond manager here. There we go. And the diamond manager wants a prefab. And it's gonna be this one. So we're gonna make a prefab of this. Before I do that, no, let's just do it now. Do we have some kind of place where we store the prefabs? No. I haven't really looked at this before that much. You know, I've just been in my scripts. Resources, no. Assets. Prefabs. Here we go. Let's name this thing single player diamond pickup. Sure. And this is in prefabs. There we go. Now it's prefab. Perfect. So this thing has, yeah, okay, good. And that means we can do that. And now I should be able to just place these here. Let's see. There we go. That's one. Here's another, like that. One up here. There we go. And on here maybe. Make sure. Okay, so let's just test what happens if I play now. Will it crash? Oh. Weird. Well, let's do it later. So I'll show you like the gameplay. There we go. Oop. And yeah, this is technically a little bit too small to actually. There we go. I don't have the UI in as well. I have to fix that as well. I didn't make the UI, so I'm not sure how it works, but I'll be fine. There you see, you can like get quite far. Yeah, you can't go through here, so I have to slide and jump through and slide. There we go. If I touch this thing now, it's gone. Perfect. This thing. Oh, I haven't added the manager to it, right? Or why aren't they getting deleted? There we go. That would explain it. Let's just move that up there. Then, oh. Yeah, okay, let's just, did that work? Yep, okay, it did work. Oh. Okay, so yeah, I don't know the cooldown dash because I don't have the UI, so I'm just gonna have to wait a bit. And yeah, it's up. Let's go. Okay, that one's picked up. Okay, perfect. I can pick up all of them. Yep. Perfect. And now we just need to do something with the door. So let's create a new script for the door. Single player scripts. Single player door open. Oops. Sure what happened there. Just save it as well, just to be sure, you know. There we go. And these two, I think I need to make them let's final door. There we go. And it's that one and it's that one. Okay, perfect. So yep. So now I just need to move this thing like down so it opens. So okay, I gotta call some kind of update. I don't want to have it running in update at all times. That's the thing. So I need to like, should I create some kind of script that just does it for me? Like, I should just say that this script just does the opening of the door. So game object dot transform dot position and we remove, let's say, I want to create a new vector each time. Vector free, move down equals and it would be like, okay, let's try this for starters. Oops, let's see what happens. Move down. Okay, so there we go. And if I just place this now on the final door, like this, and then I start the game, this thing would just move down, right? Yep, and it goes fast. Holy oh yeah, it's 1 meter. That would make sense. That does make sense. That's a whoopsie on my part. 0. 0.0. I guess I'll do that. What happens? Is that good enough? That's a bit too fast still, I'd say. I want to be able to, like, I want you to be able to catch it. You see it go down, maybe. That's pretty good. And this thing needs to be fixed. Okay, so step 2 is gonna be can I attach a script to a game object during runtime? There seems to be a way to do this quite easily. Just add component, I think. So oops. Let's just start like start. No, let's not do. Let's do it like this. Let's see. Oops. Okay, so I want to move down. I think it's like 2 whole units, right? Because this thing, like, how large is this? Okay, that doesn't really help. I think it's like 2 meters high, if I'm not mistaken. So let's try that. So if dot y, if the current position minus the start position would be like, let's say start position is 2 and I want it to be go down to 0. If the start position, which is 2, am I just I feel so fucking dumb right now. Start position minus current position, the difference of that should be more than 2. Can I do this? No, it doesn't really work like that. Let's just do this. Can I remove a okay, I'm gonna remove this component from it. Okay, so let's do I just do that? Like what happens if I do this? Wrong order, maybe? Oh, wait, I'm stupid as fuck, aren't I? Let's just do this instead. Okay, never mind. There we go. Actually, what's the? I'm just gonna raise my volume a bit. The music here. There we go. Okay, so. Like that, maybe? That should just be so much easier than like comparing positions and stuff. Okay. So first things first, it works. Second things, that's the wrong number. 4. There we go. That should just work. Would you look at that? Do I want it to like stay slightly up so you can see it? No, because I know that the code for moving is really finicky with like edges, so it's gonna hate that. So let's not do that. Let's just skip that. Let's see. I'm gonna grab you and you. Go. Ooh. I'm just gonna what and okay, let's see. Now that works. It doesn't look very good. I'm gonna make both this slightly larger, I think, but maybe thinner. Nice, slightly wider. So they go in there. So why one maybe, and the same for this one. That looks passable. Actually, no, you can. What the fuck? Can you see through here? What are you seeing there? Huh? That's weird. Oh no. Okay, so like this thing goes down, one, and those things are not in the way. Actually, let's see. Like that, maybe. Yeah, okay. Okay, now there needs to go one down. Yeah, that works out. Perfect. So instead of, okay, let's just tag this. Let's see. Where is this? Tag SP diamond is not defined. Oh wait, it's just like all diamond instead of diamonds. Yeah, okay, I experienced it. So like save that and then go here. Yep. Now there's a bunch of voice stuff that I don't even know what the fuck it is. Alright, so let's start by tagging this door. Tag, add tag. Single player, final door, save, perfect. And there you go. And we add that there, and then we say in the, not the on diamond, the pickup manager. And then I think I need to actually have a needed diamonds. There we go. And I don't want this to do it on update either. I would preferably have something that like checks it instead. Okay. So let's actually do this. Public void remove diamond. Okay. Oops. What the? There we go. So basically take this code on diamond, this. Let's do here. Remove this here. And then we do this. And then we say say manager dot remove diamond. There we go. And then we can also do here. Then we can put the check in here, so we don't have to do it every frame. We can just check it every time a diamond gets removed, because we don't need to check like every frame if there's the correct amount of diamonds. Just check it when the diamond is removed. Much easier. Well, even maybe not easier, but like less code running, I think. So, and the respawn thing here is mostly just so I can double check. Oh, that's for later. Let's see. So the start diamonds, on start diamonds, dot. Wait, what is length actually? What is this? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's just double check. Does the array... Oops, what the fuck happened there? Does that actually give me the length of the amount of items? So... Okay. Amount of... Okay. Okay, I think I'll just use lists. I don't know why I did. I think I was like, hey, I'll use arrays because it's, I think, less intensive. But what's the fucking point, honestly? It's not... there's not enough things here to actually, you know, be relevant for that. Oh, wait, that's the wrong thing. Oops. Move that. Whoop. Move that. Let me say. List game object on start diamonds equals new list game object. Bada boom. And list game object active diamonds equals new list game object. Bada boom. Perfect. To list. Oh, I think that's fine. And then we say this is count, because I don't know if I actually remove the spots in the list, or if it's just like if I get the length of an array, would it give me the amount of things in the array or amount of spots in the array? Because you could remove something from an array, but there's still a spot there for something to be, I think. Okay, let's see. Active diamonds dot remove game object. Yes. Wait. I can do this. Max diamonds. So this is like 5 minus 3. That will be 2. And this is... No, wait, this should be opposite. Wait, one. So... Diamonds minus active diamonds is gonna give you how many there are left. So active diamonds. Wait, what am I thinking about? No, it shouldn't. It should be how many you picked up, right? No. Yes. Because if you picked up 3, there would be 2 diamonds in active diamonds. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. And need the diamonds, let's say you need 4. Then this is 3 and this is more. No, what? This is less than. I'm so stupid sometimes, it's insane. So if wait. Yeah, this is correct. This should be correct. Oh, I'm so fucking dumb. How am I so stupid sometimes? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have 2 doors normally, but I'm gonna have 1 door here. Okay. Then I have to get the script. Public. How do I do that? Do I just say it's the... Like this, maybe? Yeah, let's do this again. And this is just... This is just because I'm gonna have only 1 door in the final level and I don't want them to like get some error of like, oh, there's no door, I can't add the script, there's no door. So I think we would just say, hey, this is an error, and then just go on with stay, but I don't want any errors, so... This isn't really, this is like nested if statements, and these are super irrelevant really, but I think I just want to have them here, just it happens once anyways. Let's see on diamond, yeah, so it first calls that and then destroys itself. That's fine, and this one checks if the door is open. Alright, so I save that. And now I go in here and I check the door and I say, hey, you, remove you. And then I go to, oh my fucking god. Here we go, Diamond Manager. And you need 4. Perfect. Just gonna save. So if I now start it, actually, okay, let's see. Okay, there's no errors at least. I'm actually just gonna move. First I'm gonna close this. Holy shit. And there we go. I'm just gonna move this thing into the end zone here so I can quickly test. Some quick testing. Oop. Okay, so the door is not open. I'm gonna pick up that one last. 1 diamond. 2 diamonds. Okay, I need to fix that somehow. Three diamonds. Now if I pick up this 4th one, this one should open. It's opening. It's doing it slowly. Just gonna click it. Oh my god. Not to brag, but holy fuck, I'm good at this. No, I'm not. Let's go. Okay, that actually works. That works. So now I need to just do some you know. I need to finish the roofs here. Add something outside here. Add some UI, and that's from another scene. I just copy that over, I think, hopefully. And that's the tutorial. And then I have to, of course, connect the scenes. I have never connected a scene ever. I just make the code and I go, thank you, rest of the team, do your thing. You go. Save. File. Save. Okay. Oh, I forgot to update my title, I realized. That's the wrong title. See if it updates correctly. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, what was I? Scenes, game scenes, final map, I'm guessing. Look, this is the final map. It's a bit of a mess. This place is just fucked. I have nothing to say about this part. There's like one texture, I think, and it's just fucked. I know there's a couple of things I want to fix here actually, like this for example. Let's see if I can find it. There's some parts we can see through like the level. Have we fixed that maybe? No, here it is. That's the part. So we just do this. Bam, bam, and there we go. I think that should fix it. Yeah, it's fine. Let me save this. This is the only spot though I happen to know. Let's see. Like here somewhere. Have we fixed this maybe? Maybe it's been fixed already. That's nice at least. And I know over here as well there's a spot. Maybe I also fix that. Oh well. If it's fixed, that's fine. Wait, was it here? No. Was it here? No. Okay, that's fine probably. So there should be a UI here. There it is. That's not the correct UI I'm thinking about. Let's do that so I can see better. Oh my god, it's all fucking just randomly. That's probably my fault. Yeah, I think these are all stuff I placed. Whoops, sorry. Well, let's see. Maybe it's... Oh my god, it's so well organized before I went in here and fucked shit up. It's kind of funny. Okay, I don't think it's in here. I think it's in characters then. Let's see. Character. There we go. Here's the prefab. So GUI up. No. Just here. I think this is it. Oh. I'm just gonna. Wait, isn't this already a part of the thing though? If we go back to my scene. Tutorial, pre-component, GUI object. Oh, it's just empty. Did I just delete all of it? It's weird. That's stupid of me. Why did I do that? This is a mess. Why is it a mess? Characters. There we go. GUI objects. I'm just gonna. Can I just do that maybe? Copy and plain body. Oops. Delete that. Badum. Badum. So if I now try to. Okay, I think there's some error. Because this time that doesn't work. Dash cooldown. Okay, what's this? Oh, I haven't actually given it a script. Okay, wait. Whoa. That wasn't intended. Thank you. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna okay. So this, I can just remove this, right? This isn't a prefab, so I can just do that. Perfect. That icon is fine. The dash icon, I don't think it's gonna be an issue. No. Okay, the fill bar is what's gonna be an issue. No. The progress bar? Something has a script. This maybe. Is this, was this a script? Game object player. Outline off, okay. Okay. Because I need to do I need to copy this and just make it single player. Because I'm connecting it to the single player state manager instead of normal one. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, let's just do this actually. And single player scripts. Before I do that, what's this called again? So I can call it single player dash colon. Create script single player dash cooldown. Go. Control A, Control V, summary. All right, let's see. Okay. So this is the one. Oh, oops. So there we go. Like that, and then we do like that maybe. Save that. Spin save. See if this works. Yep. Oh, that works perfectly. Fucking handy legend for doing this script. It's nice. Okay, that works. Is there anything else I need to do? I don't think so, really. I'm just gonna double check if there's any like scripts here. No. No. Okay, that's the one I added. Fill bar, no. Dash icon, no. Portrait, player icon. Oh, okay. So let's see. I'm gonna just let's see. I'm just making that invisible for a second, and I'm gonna open up the old project I made. Not the old, the new one, because I forgot how to do the texts on the canvas. Then I can connect that and have like a little counter for diamonds. Okay, it's... I think I can close this actually. There we go. There. What's going? There we go. So, canvas. That's the test one, yeah. The text is just added there. And then on the machine here, let's see. I'm just getting it somewhere, and debug text, and here I'm probably just yeah, okay, that's how I do it. Perfect. I'm just gonna move this to the side, so I have them here, and this is that one. Okay. Actually, can you even read my text? Yeah, you probably could. You can probably read my code, right? Yeah, that's good enough. Let's close you. Let's close you. So pickup manager. Okay. What about it? Text something else like public public text. Okay. I need to include something, right? This thing, I think. UI. Okay. Text. Diamond counter. We go. Okay, let's see here. So let's see. Can do this plus. Okay, this is this is something fucked up. Let's see, what is it? Oh, that's the issue. What do I do down here? Okay. Dot text. There we go. And now I need to let's see. What kind of text do I have here on the canvas? Just text, okay. There we go, and now we go to the Diamond Manager. And we go there, save. Is that correct? Wow, that works. Okay, so there's something I noticed with this. The box collider, I need it to be larger. 1.5 anyway. Because it feels like you're not touching it correctly somehow. And that one should be like... Okay, that's stupid. Let's do this instead. Size, copy, boom, size, paste. That should be all of them. Yep. Okay, let's how to improve it. Okay, so the thing I'm annoyed by is there's some collider thing going on here. I don't want to collide at all. I want to just like touch it and be like, whoop. I don't have any collision detection. What if I like make it larger? So like that, and like oh, I also realized technically maybe I should be careful because I don't think I have any like checks on what is entering, but that's fine. That's fine for now. There we go. And we copy and we swoop and we paste. Bam. And now still like is somehow you touch it and it stops you sometimes. Yeah, like that. Why is that? What happens there? Is it because it's like enter or something? Is that the problem? On trigger enter. Enters. On trigger. I don't understand why. It's also, I feel like when you're specifically hitting it from like this direction. Make it even larger. Like slightly wider. And this one should definitely be larger. Bam. Okay. Copy. And paste. Okay, that's an issue. Is this working at all now? check the. So let's see if this gotta be a way to like get the tag, right? Collider get tag. How to perform a collider check tag. Game object dot tag. Like this. Right. What the f- Okay, so he's making it worse. Somehow the collider is should we make it smaller? Is that the issue? Or something? Like 1.5, sure. And 0.5, like this. Smaller. 4. Okay, now it's still not good. Okay, like this. Let's just check what it looks like. Oops, that's the wrong way. Oh, okay. Okay. It's a trigger and a play. If I remove the rigid body, what happens? Because it said something about like, oh, you need to have rigid body on it when I was reading the documentation. And what the I'm so confused by this. What the fuck is going on? Okay. Oh. I think I know what's happening. I know now. Okay. I know what's happening. It's not an actual collision that's happening. It's just that all of the my script for moving the character is detecting the collision with this collider and pretending it's. That's why it stops you. It's just a code telling it not to go there. It thinks it's a wall. So if I just go in, oh sorry. So what I gotta do is I gotta go to the machine and I gotta say somewhere here like, okay, oh that's not the what I wanted to do. Maybe like this, and I just write it in like here. Actually, let's make it like. I think that should be correct. Let's make some food soon. Oops. There we go. Is this gonna do it? That seems to do it. Yep, that's fixed it. I'm just gonna fix that in the normal one as well, actually. Here. Let's see. And Where's the other one? There we go. That should fix, because I've been noticing that as well in the multiplayer version. You kind of hit one of them when you stop, and I don't want that, because that stops the flow of the movement. And that stops it off what you want. Okay, let's see. Here's the text. Okay. No, I'm just gonna change it actually like this instead. Goodbye, and let's go pick up manager and let's say like that. Change you. Now do this. And that's kind of. Was that a sound? It's been a bug. Oh, no, mine was actually a chat thing. I just gotta. This looks like a bot. Goodbye. Okay, so. Okay, so let's just fix the roof here, and then I can start start doing the code for like. I guess I just look into how to move scenes. First of all, I might take a break to eat and look into that, and then I'll return to stream maybe. Before that, let's just add roofs everywhere, and then I need to add the UI and stuff. And like, lighting would be nice, but yeah, no. I don't know how to do it right now, and it's not important. How the game look isn't important, luckily, for the project, so I'll just ignore that. Of course, like to some limit, you can't make it just absolute shit. Go. Okay, let's just... That actually works out pretty well, I think. Can I need to add these little borders here? Okay, never mind. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna let's move the entire player over here and then make them untouchable for now. Back to the spawner. Ooh. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's just grab the GUI object. There we go. Okay. That should be fine. Now we can't press that. Perfect. We can go back here and grab all of these. Save V and whoop. There we go. Oh no, that's gonna be annoying. Fuck. I should have thought about that. No, it's gonna be fine actually. I can just move it like that, I guess. Yeah. Can move that as well. Perfect. I'll grab this. There we go. I'll put that there. And this is just so I like mask the clipping there. It looks a bit nicer as well. That's gonna be fine actually. I can't be bothered. Not for now at least. Yep, that's good. Oh wait. Maybe I'll actually add that. There we go. So it looks a little bit better. Oh. There we go. Oops. Like that. Nice little border trim. Let's do the same over here. Now, I actually didn't line this up quite nicely. Now I'll do it here as well. There we go. And let's rotate you to 0 degrees. Perfect. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Nah, it'll be fine. Oh, it's actually perfect. Nice. Would you look at that? Little border trim. You'd love to see it. You know what, I'll just add another one. There we go. Yeah, it's perfect. And that's gonna be fine like it is, I think. Fuck it, you know. And yeah. Because basically all the level is finished except for the exit. Oh, hello. What are you working on? I'm working on a project for uni. It was supposed to be done before summer, and it was kinda done-ish. But we didn't get a passing grade because we sent a bad build. So we couldn't even start it. And then when we were thinking about it more, we thought, hey, maybe it isn't good enough as it is. It's a multiplayer game, so I'm trying to make a single player. And this is the one teacher, you know, who's grading it, so you can't play the multiplayer and test it. So I'm making a single player tutorial for the multiplayer game. So this is just the level. The idea is you spawn us the character here. Let's see, it's running in that part here. So this is where we are right now. Here. Yeah. This is just for the modeler assets. Yeah, it's something we just found. I don't even know where it is from because it's somebody else in the group who got it. We were told that as long as the game looks good enough, you know, like the look of the game wasn't important. It was supposed to just work. And we were even told that, you know, we were not, if we got stuff from, you know, I don't know, just don't tell them where we got it from, most instructions basically. I mean, these are just like a free asset pack. The only thing that's actually custom made is the player character, which I made in Blender. You can see here, it's the arms as well. Turn off the gizmos. That's the character. The animations are just from Mixamo, but the character is made by me. There's no animations at all, because this is single player, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so this is like the tutorial for the point of the game of picking up these diamonds. As the prey character, there's a prey and the hunter character. And the prey picks up these diamonds and escapes, and the hunter tries to catch the prey. That's the gist of it. So this is the tutorial for the prey, and there's gonna be a similar one that's almost exactly the same for the hunter. I just make my life probably. I'm gonna be honest. have no clue what that even is. I have just been like, my job in the project was making scripts for movements, so I've just been inside scripts at all times. I have no clue how to do any of the level stuff. And this is just me kind of doing guesswork. There's probably better ways to do it. Like this thing is misaligned, that's kind of annoying. Oh no, wait, are all of them misaligned? Oh no, okay, I'll fix that later. What is Pro Builder? I'll Google what Pro Builder is actually. Pro Builder. Oh, it's like a... Oh, it's modeling inside the game? That would be nice, because that's been like my largest problem right now. That I can't model. Because actually I can show off what the issue was I've had. So, in one of the game scenes, here we go, game scenes. This is the game scene. I don't know what's going on here. The textures are fucked. Yeah, that's what I've been doing, but for some reason, accidentally, the vertex snapping. I just been copying like a part of the ceiling and just repeating it everywhere, and then I realized later that one of those was misaligned, and now I copied that everywhere, so I'm just gonna go and change that later. Let's see here. This is what I tried to have like a ramp going down here, and I had to like just place a bunch of these flat pieces and try to make a ramp. And if I had, because I'm looking at the thing here, and they have vertices, and you can... I should have looked this up so much earlier. The Pro Builder stuff. Okay, that's very good to know. I'll write that down somewhere actually. Pro Builder for Unity. Yeah, it's like it works, but it does look kinda shit. Like this, I would have loved to have a smooth curve here, and I just didn't. But it's fine, it works out. Oh, let's go back to this one. Single player tutorial. So yeah, this is the tutorial map, and then I'm gonna create a smaller version of the map, which is just like have you played Odyssey, Super Mario Odyssey? You know the like balloon hunt things, URP. Yes, I think it is the URP. Yeah, it's the like the 3D URP one. So yeah, the lighting is kind of weird. Nothing looks very good. Oh, you didn't? Okay, there's this thing where like it's a time thing. You just place a balloon, you can get to balloons in the world. You basically start in a circle, and when you exit the circle, the timer starts. I'm gonna make a smaller level, like less linear, because this is just like a line you go through. And have, yeah, it's very default lighting. It's, I remember, because this is just for a uni assignment, and that is gonna make it a bit, you know, sloppy on some parts. And the look of the game was not graded, so we had great plans for making it look good. We're like, oh, we're gonna do cell shading and stuff, and then we realized that, yeah. Oh yeah, that would be great actually, because something I just want is to remove this default lighting on everything and like place a light source, so I could like have a torch or something. Post-processing, okay. Where do I find the post-processing? Is it like a window? Or is it over here? No. Global volume if you don't have one. A global volume, I'm gonna be honest, don't think I have one. Is it just like a thing everything is in? It's an object? Is it a... is it just like an empty, create empty? And then I put everything in that? Is that how it works? It's an object, yeah. I'm using, what am I using? I'm using the the version from 2022-3171. I'm using basically the newest version, I think. Here we go. 2022, yeah. So I think it is whatever the create a new object, okay. Yep, a game object. I'm gonna call this global volume. Go. Oh, okay. That component volume. That doesn't seem to be a thing here. Global. No, I'm not sure. Actually, let's check the settings. That's probably a good idea. Let's see, maybe... oh god, it was so long since I've used this thing. No, edit. Product settings. It might not be URP, it might be whatever the... let's see. Graphics. Oh, it's the... okay, it's not this one, probably. I don't think it is the URP then. Yeah, it's the default one, okay. Yeah. Is the URP what's recommended to use? Because, yeah, if this thing looks bad, I don't really care that much in then, but if I want to do something in the future, and I want it to not look shit. Okay, so the URP, I'm gonna write that word down as well. How to self use URP. Yep. Okay, that's good. Because there's been an issue we've had, well, not really an issue, we haven't tried to solve it because we couldn't built-in has no features. Oh, okay. That makes sense. So it's kind of like deprecated legacy stuff. That's good to know. Because yeah, everything else is just flat look, and even if I like remove the directional light, it still has this flat look, so it's not really much better. But yeah, this is that's fine though, as long as we pass. You know, I'm just trying to pass so I can, because I live in like student housing, so if I don't get, can still do some stuff. Yeah. Like, can I add like a normal maybe light source, like a point light maybe? If I do that, yeah, it seems to be a thing. Oh, it's oh wait, the lighting window. Window. Oh yeah, here. Oh what? No, that doesn't. There we go. Scene environment. Oh yeah, the skybox and stuff. Go to environment, yeah. Do I have any good skyboxes? Reflections. Oh yeah, here. Do I just do 0? Yeah, okay. Oh, and then we actually got light from the point light. That's pretty nice. Then I can actually create some lighting with this thing. So if I make this like red, I guess. Yes! This is actually perfect. I mean, it's good enough. Oh, that's perfect, because I've been really annoyed by the skybox lighting stuff. It gives a nice orange glow. So now I can use lighting to guide the player, I guess. That's nice. By placing some torches and stuff. Like if I... because I know there's some... I think there's a torch preset somewhere. Let's see, asset pack, FBX, this one. Yeah, this is the asset pack we've been using mostly. Now I can do the candles actually. Oh wait, that's what I've been. Here's a bunch of candles. So if I just try to like this, and they're all like away from skybox. Can I change the environment lighting here? Oh, so I changed it to something else, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, the oh, that's actually kind of nice. That's dark now. Just anything. Because I'm inside, so I would like to have it just be dark, right? Like black. And then I grab this light. Oh, that's not the light. Point light. And maybe make it slightly stronger. Oh, bake lighting. Whoa. So yeah, I've seen something about that. What is that? Is it pre-calculating lighting stuff? So it doesn't have to do it while running, I'm guessing. Because they have baked light, no, indirect lighting. Okay. So would I guess I would generate lighting and then I would link it here, the data. So I would like put all my light sources in the scene. I would generate lighting. Yeah, this is the best part of actually. I'm streaming mostly, so I actually have a, you know, I force myself to try to do coding, but I also, because then I just get random people entering chat. Oh yeah, that would be perfect, and he's helping me do stuff. That's great. Actually, if I do this, let's see. I grab you and I make it smaller. Oh, real-time lighting. Okay, yeah. Ah, okay. So the things that are moving don't get lighting, of course. And that's a combination. Okay. And since there's only one moving thing, I think, in the... Oh, it's so dark now. The door, which I can't see anymore, is the only thing that moves in the scene. So... Oh wait, another one? Fourth one. Baked with light probes. That looks better, right? Oh yeah, because you now actually have not pure black. Because light would reflect there, okay, makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, because if you were to live calculate all lights, that would probably be not great. Right? Honestly, I'm mostly hyped to let me just do this. I'm gonna do that for now so I can actually see anything. Oh, it's, yeah, it's HDR maybe. If you want to calculate indirect lighting in real time, use... Oh yeah, art. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Oh, and that's all the stuff of like the whole RTX real time, RTX on, RTX off. HDRP. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I don't... That's good to know, because that's probably gonna be overkill for anything I'm doing in the future, at least now, but that's very good to know. Let's see, game scenes. So if I go to the final map here, because this thing looks kind of ass. But if I were to source, I actually have a color already. Oh no, it's this already. Let's see. Whoa. Where's this light coming? What the fuck? That's weird. I forgot to change something. Sure. And then I can, let's see. Let's just create a new empty here. Oh, okay. Just new map maybe. Oh, here it is. If I, yeah, okay, there it is, there it is. That's good to know. So, game object. I'm just gonna call this like lights. There we go. And then I can later go through and add, like, basically do the thing of mixed and light probes then as well, and make it all really dark and add a bunch of lights so that it looks less awful, because right now it just has this like, this doesn't look very nice. Yeah, as long as it looks passable, it's all we're trying to do. And this is still just first year. It's a first year project, and it was mostly in like system design and management and group management, which is why we failed. But it would be nice if I can improve it a lot, because the lighting has been one of the things I dislike the most. And this part is just weird as well. I need to, because there's something weird going on here. I think it's the, oh, nice. Do you know how to make like, oh, your game? Let's see. Let's see. Dead shot. Let's see. Is it whoa. I feel like I recognize the, yeah, this is definitely this is the same thing that's shown, right? You wake up as an army soul in the middle of meeting the apocalypse. You've done this thing of like going for like the early, I can't quite pinpoint it, but like Half-Life-ish, right? When it comes to graphics. It's very nice. Then there's... How long did this take, by the way? To make this game that you made here? Let's see. Oh yeah, Retrostyle first person shooter inspired from classics like Half-Life. 2 years in development now. Oh. It just... game development is one of those things that to get something very basic goes so fast, and then to make something good takes so long, right? Because let's see, I've just been Because I'm gonna be honest, I procrastinated a lot when we did this entire game. And I could have probably done the things I did in like 2 weeks if I didn't procrastinate. And this is playable, but it's not good. And to get it to a level of, you know, putting it on Steam, I think like, yeah, 2 years. Are you alone, by the way? Is it just you doing the development? Oh, can I see it's in your Twitch name. Let's see. Okay, but you're like the only developer though. Because, yeah, that's also a thing. Musical models is difficult. Like, I made one model and I was done. That was it. And music is just entirely screwed. I don't think we even have music, because that wasn't really relevant either. With one dev then, on the models. Do you do animations as well? Yourself? Or is that by the person who helps with the models? Okay, it's not animations. Is it Mixamo, or is it the person who makes the models? Because we've used Mixamo mostly. The person, okay. Pretty nice. Because Mixamo feels like a great thing for a demo, and then as soon as... okay, no, don't support. That makes sense. Because I've noticed when we were using Mixamo, it was always almost what we needed. It was never what we needed. We always had to settle for something when it wasn't Mixamo. And it works, because it's a uni project, but if we were to actually release something on Steam, I don't think I would use Mixamo. It's interesting. Man. Actually, I have some questions to you about the thing on Steam, because now that I have you in here anyways, and I do want to take the chance here. How many is... I know it's really difficult to get people to look at your stuff on Steam, in general. So like, how long have you had Deadshot up, and what's the stats on like people wishlisting it, and or do you have like views on the page stats? This is this is a whole ass Steam page. System requirements. Enough for a year and I have 500 wishlists. Okay. Damn. It is scary to do game dev. I'm guessing you don't do game dev like full time, right? So you have another job probably and do it in your spare time. You do it full time? 2 years? Ooh, that's scary though. Okay, not with this game. But that feels like... okay, so is this game this your hobby game? Okay. Do you work on like a game studio otherwise? Or do you in a team, in a indie team? Or do you have another game that you're also working full time on? Oh, nice. Yeah, because it feels like being an indie dev entirely would be absolutely terrifying. Like you spend 2 years on a game, you release it on Steam, and you get... like let's... Astera, I can't look that up. Astera. Is it by Dream Primer? I'm gonna just like yes, there. Okay. Like, how do you? Let's see about. Oh wait, I'm looking at the website now for the 30 million players. Because that's something, since I study game dev in uni, something you think about. Like, do you go for a indie smaller studio locally, or do you go for a large studio? Well, I guess you can't really choose usually. You know, I'm gonna try to get a job like that, but still. Oh, 3,700 reviews. That's a lot of reviews. Website. How was I? Oh yeah. I'm gonna write stuff. Because I gotta, unfortunately, gonna stop stream soon for like an hour to make food. But I'm gonna write down the stuff you said about lights, so I remember that. Real-time baked mixed. Okay, yeah. See ya. Good luck. And I'm also gonna leave now. But thank you for showing up and thank you for helping with the lights. That was really helpful. I'm gonna end stream now. So, goodbye stream. Goodbye everybody. See ya in a couple hours maybe. Bye bye. And thanks for the help.